Tessie is still denying having a hand in sending text messages to them. What if she is telling the truth? What if someone actually is using her phone? Who could it be then? Who could have been sending out those messages about my mother to them? How many are we in this house?
I understood why she was denying everything. She never knew her sister was going to find out.
How could that be possible when all of them are living in the same house?
Jazzy, I would not have found out if Cheesy had not called with her line.
Come to think of that, do you think she could have given Cheesy her phone, knowing full well that Tessie has been using it to send secret message to you?
Anything can be possible, my guy. She might think I will not recognize the number. Besides, Cheesy needed to call me at that moment, you know.
Then it is still very possible that someone else used that line to send you the secret message. Now, have you asked yourself why she suddenly decided to use her line instead of the first one that has been sending you the message?
My man, look, I understand you have feelings for her, okay? So don't worry yourself. I am switching to Lucy. You can go ahead and have Tessie or have her or anything.
No, Dan, why are you like this?
No, it's just...
No, who is having feelings for her? For God's sake, you are saying a different thing here.
See, I really have to run along. I have a business meeting. You can go ahead and do what you want. What I just told you.
You're fond of diverting. Instead, each time we are saying something serious. I don't get it.
What if Jazz is right after all? Is it true? I got the information I needed, but let me still check the other side of it. If truly someone else used Tess's phone to send the last two messages, then who could be the person? What could be the person's motive? A particular number was used initially, then who could be the ghost sender? Who?
Ndidi! Ndidi! Ndidi!
Yes, ma. Ma? Ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
There is something I want to ask you.
Okay, ma.
Have you ever used Tessie's phone to send a message to anybody?
No, ma. I can't do such a thing.
Okay, but have you seen anybody using Tessie's phone to send a message?
No, ma. I've not.
Okay, this is what you will do for me. Okay. You can go back to work, but while you're at it, just try and think. Think if you've seen anybody using Tessie's phone around. No matter who. Just think. Anything you come up with, do not hesitate to tell me. I promise I'll give you 20,000 naira if you remember anything.
Okay, ma. I will.
Alright, you can go.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Okoro! Okoro!
Ma!
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. There is something I want to ask you. Have you by any chance seen anybody using Tessie's phone to send a message? I just need you to think. I mean, if you've seen anybody using Tessie's phone to send a message to anybody.
Text message?
Why are you asking me like I'm speaking Spanish?
No. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No. Sorry. No. Yes.
Do you know what? It's okay. You can just go.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Sorry. There is something I want to correct. My name is Okoro, not Okoro, not Fibo, Okoro.
Okay, I've heard you. Okoro.
Not Okoro, Okoro.
I said Okoro.
Oh, okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
Sorry for the disturbance. Ma, I've come to tell you something about Tessie's phone.
You remember something?
Yes, ma.
Okay, what is it?
Ma, I saw her that night hiding in the kitchen with the phone, and she was chatting with someone on the phone.
Who? Listen, you can talk to me. Don't be scared. I won't tell anybody you told me. Okay? Who did you see using Tessie's phone?
But ma, what about the money you promised to give me?
Didi, listen to me. I promise you. As soon as you're done giving me this information, I will go in, get my phone and make a transfer of 20,000 to you. I promise. Just tell me who.
Okay,
she's so evil, like a viper's snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky, sneaky and creepy. She takes you on now, and she
who be that now? You want to play this game?
Our eldest is the friend of love. Oh my God, don't tell me that she slapped me. How could she? Ow! Jesus! Ah!
Where you go?
I just want to say I'm sorry. I know I hurt you. And you know how close we are.
Where?
Yeah, right, where? But please, I just need you to forgive me.
Chizzy, I don't need your apology. It's fine. I don't want
No,
it.
Tessie, this is not us. I know how we talk. I know how we laugh. I just... Listen, I have found out the truth. I know you weren't the one who sent those messages
I am not interested. I am not interested in the truth. Did you listen to all that when I was trying to explain myself? I tried to explain myself to you. Did it matter? No. Please, I don't want your explanation.
Tessie, can you at
Please
least
excuse me, please.
Can you just...
I was doing something.
Let me
say. I'm not interested.
Hello, ma.
Open the gate. Open this.
Who is shout? Ma, please, can I call you back, please? Who's that?
How do you want to call Officer, this is the criminal. Take her. Officer, this is the criminal. This is the criminal that almost killed me. This criminal.
Lucy, so you still have the guts to call the police on me after everything you did to me?
You're still speaking English. Officer, why are you standing here? Arrest this! This is a criminal! She needs to be arrested now!
Officer, listen to me.
Young lady.
This person right here is my sister.
Young lady, listen to me. You are under arrest. And you have every right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I am telling you that this is my sister. She framed me
Let's
up
go.
and... Who is your sister?
Move, I'll move you. I will move you.
Madam,
move. Move it!
Madam.
Officer, I don't like this
Respect
thing.
yourself and move. Let's go.
Inside and go. If I see you here again, you know yourself. Criminal! What a criminal! What a criminal you are! Enter that keke! Enter that keke! What rubbish! What nonsense! Rubbish!
She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love. Oh, she's so dangerous, oh hey, so dangerous.
I told you that I warned Dan. I warned him concerning the lady I met in his house the day I went to visit him.
So what happened?
Chizzy said she is having problem with Dan because of that lady.
Yeah. He's having problem with Chizzy. Is that the reason he refused to visit us? At least to tell us his plans about his wedding.
I'm sure the lady is her elder sister. She is that particular lady I met on that very day. You needed to see how Chizzy was crying on the phone.
Wait, so did she tell you why Dan left her?
She couldn't say anything because she was crying all through. She said that Dan left her because of her elder sister. And I'm sure it's that girl, that particular lady I met that day.
Okay, I will pressurize Dan to come back.
Better do.
And I will pretend I did not hear anything at all.
Anything you can do, just do it. Call him to order, please.
I will do it.
I don't want that girl to be crying like that.
I will do that.
It pained me.
Is it true you arrested Chizzy? Why? See your mouth. Are you
qualified to ask me that question? What sort of question is that? Yes, I did.
Lucy!
Hey.
Lucy! How could you do that? Why would you arrest your own sister?
Dad, the question would be, what did I do? I didn't do anything. Daddy, she used a padlock and hit my head. I became unconscious. You see you. Don't worry. I didn't watch you.
Look, she told me what you did that made her fight you. Huh? But how could you be that heartless to your own sister?
Auntie, what did I do?
Chizzy, give me that phone.
Dad, let me bring out the video. What video is that? Mommy, this is what you did. This is it.
Give it to me.
Take, Father. Lucy!
You see?
So it was you. You framed me up. You made Chizzy humiliate me. You are very wicked. You are heartless.
Shut up.
It will never be well with you.
Shut up!
Just shut up! You still have something to say after this? Huh?
Dad, see, it's not my fault. Dan only asked me about Chizzy's mother and I just had to tell him the truth. That's all.
Which truth are you talking about?
The truth.
Which truth? Huh? The truth. Okay, you know how to say truth. Why didn't you use your phone? Do you have to use our own?
You are very wicked. You are evil and it will not be well with you. God will pay you back for this evil that you did to me. It shall never be well with you. You are very wicked.
Will you shut up your dirty mouth?
Take you shut up, you're still talking. Idiot. Chelsea, please calm down, okay? I will get to the root of this matter.
Hey, she's so evil, like a viper's snake.
What is going on, Dan? We've not heard from you concerning the woman you brought to us here.
Dad, no need beating around the bush. You see, there are informations I need to confirm about her before forging ahead or knowing what to do.
What kind of information are you talking about?
It's about her mother. I was told that her father divorced her mother due to infidelity, and now she's almost living that kind of life. I mean, prostitution, you know. So I believe that is not the kind of woman he wants me to marry her daughter, right?
Dan, tell yourself the truth. You are now looking for excuses against Chizzy because you have interest in her elder sister, isn't it?
Mom, that is so wrong for you to say.
The information I got from Chizzy, she said her elder sister is the one giving you those fake information just to bias your mind.
Forget about whatever Chizzy told you. That girl is a chameleon. Okay? I'm telling you now as your son that this is the information I got, and I think that is true.
I want to see her.
It's fine. I want to see her.
Meanwhile, we are going to see Chizzy's father first. Get ready, we are going there too.
Okay.
Dad, honestly, this whole thing is not my fault. Dan loves me and I love him too. I mean, we're in love. Lucy, you are a beast. You are a beast from the pit of hell. And I promise you, you will never ever see anything good. You are the beast. You are the beast. You are the one that will die early. You will die early. You are the one that will die early. Yeah. Shut. Bastard. How dare you? You bastard. You will never ever see anything good in your life. Never. Idiot. Because you want to touch me?
Right, we're going to beat the
Now you want to touch me? Try it.
What's wrong with you?
Just try it. I swear, Lucy, you will never see anything good in your life. You will suffer till the end of your life. You are the one that is going to suffer. I will suffer. I will suffer. I will suffer. You're very mad. You are mad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey God. I will kill someone.
No, you're here. Please, can I talk to you about something? Will you be free tomorrow? I want you to accompany me to my husband's house.
Husband's house? What are you going to do?
I want to see my daughter, and I cannot go there alone. I don't want to go alone.
Sister, it's been 10 years since you left your husband's house. Why not invite your daughter over here? You can meet her here.
Fine, it is beyond what you're thinking. I want to go there. I want to visit there.
Well, it still doesn't make any sense to me. Except you are going there for something that you are yet to tell me.
Fine, please. Just accompany me there. You know you stand like a father now. If Papa was around, I would have asked him. You're like a father now. Please.
I don't have any choice now. I'll follow you. We'll go. We'll go.
I'll tell you everything.
Get out.
Thank you very much.
Please, don't go. I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Please now.
What do you mean don't go? You asked me out of your house and your life. Now I'm leaving. You should be happy. I want to leave your house since you don't want to own up to your responsibilities. But I promise you.
Please don't say anything further. Please. See, I'm sorry for the way I've maltreated you all this while that you have been in my house. Please.
I thought you wanted me to leave. Now I want to leave. Like, let me go. Let me go!
No, please don't go. See, you are my responsibility. You and this child that you are carrying is my responsibility. Please, baby. I'm on my knees. I'm begging you. Please. Please.
Get up.
I'm sorry.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. With all my heart, I love you.
See my parents.
Baby.
Is this your house?
Mom? Yes, it's my house. Do you guys know each other?
Oh, yes. He was my first husband.
What? You never told me you were once married.
I don't understand. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Father, you told us you married 3 wives. My mother, Chizi's, and Tess's mother. What is she talking about?
Your mother is not dead. It was only Tess's mother that died. This is your mother.
But you told me my daughter was dead. Hey! Hey!
But can someone tell me what is really going on here? Mom!
Please, let's sit down.
I'm coming. Said it's 5,000. I don't have 5,000. It's only 3,000 I have. It's only 3,000 I have. I have only 3,000. Sorry. Don't do this to yourself now. Don't do this. Help me. Please, Adama, help me. Help me. I have only 3,000. I have only 3,000. I have only 3,000.
Adama, my only sister, how are you? How is your husband? You are here. You're welcome. I'm washing clothes, of course. Washing my baby's clothes.
Why are you the one washing this baby's clothes? Why your wife is inside?
Adama, is that why you were here?
Yes. That is why I am here.
What is your business if my husband chooses to wash his baby's clothes?
It is my business. Because you are a woman. And it is very wrong for you as a woman to be in the house while your husband washes your baby's clothes.
He is my husband. And this is my house. So go to your house.
Rosemary, you've changed my brother. You have turned my brother into a woman. I don't understand. What are you calling him? Why don't you wash this clothes when the baby is asleep? This is not the Richard that I used to know. But you have totally changed. I don't blame you.
Adama, this is my wife. Why would you talk to my wife in such a rude manner? This is my wife. I choose to wash my baby's clothes. Please.
Wi-Fi. But our Wi-Fi indeed. Is this not a wife? Are you a wife? Are you a wife? Useless woman. You will never change. Will you ever change?
No. Shut up your mouth. You know, I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I chose to marry this your wretched brother. I chose to marry him.
You should be happy. You should be thanking me that you married your wretched brother. You're very useless. You don't have a shameless woman. You're very shameless. You want to buy me water? You want to call me man? You didn't buy me water. Jesus.
It's alright.
Yes, but that's why I want you. Because you luckily got married to a power servant. You have the mouth to talk. Yeah?
It's okay.
Hey, shut up.
It's alright, it's alright.
baby. I'm sorry. My daughter. It's okay. Your mommy will see. Your mommy will see me, darling. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Where are you coming from?
I can open the door. What kind of question is that?
I should open the door. What kind of question is that? You've not answered my question. I say, where are you coming from?
What kind of stupid question is that? And since when do you start questioning my movement in this house?
For crying out loud. What kind of woman will leave her baby? A little baby like this morning. You left this house this morning. And you are coming back now.
Richard, what is wrong with you taking care of your own baby? Will I kill myself because I gave birth? And I got married to a wretched man that cannot even take care of me. Please take care of the baby.
What do you mean by that?
Richard, I am very tired. I need to rest. Okay?
Listen to me. Don't you ever call me wretched again. Did you hear me?
Are you not wretched? Richard, are you not wretched? Can you take care of me? Can you take care of me, Richard? Stupid, useless man. Try it, Richard, just try it. If my people will not jail you for life. Useless. Okay, you're closing. Since when? Shit! Nonsense, man. Cannot even take care of your baby. It's your baby. I should not work. I should cry. Oh, I'm afraid. I'm scared. Richard, shut.
It's okay.
Brother.
Adani,
Good afternoon.
you are here already.
Yes. How is the baby?
It's fine. You have to follow auntie, please. Please follow auntie.
How are you? But you said for me.
Adani, it has happened again.
What has happened?
My wife, she left the house since 3 days now. I've not set my eyes on her. And her phone is switched off. I've been battling with this little baby. And my menial job. This woman wants to kill me. That is why I sent for you. You need to help me to take care of the child. Please. You just have to help me. You know you are the only sister I have.
Brother, it's okay. It's fine. I'll help you take care of the baby. Let her go. Brother, let her go before she kills you and this child.
I don't know what to do.
Brother, let her go.
I don't know what to do, Adani.
It's fine. I'll take care of the baby.
Yes.
Yes, I will. I'll take care of
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go inside.
Okay. I've been doing it. Dad, please.
Do I even have time to eat? She has been crying all day. What have you come here to do?
I'm here to see my daughter.
Which daughter are you talking about?
Lucy, my daughter. Where is she?
Your daughter, Lucy, is dead.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Richard, what did you say? Lucy! Lucy! Richard, where's my daughter? Richard. Where's Lucy?
So, 3 months after that, I came here to settle down. And by stroke of luck, I got the opportunity of becoming what I am today. And that was when I met Chizi's mother and married her.
Wait. You mean Lucy and I are siblings?
I can't believe this. My daughter. My daughter, please forgive me.
I don't believe this. I don't believe this.
Forgive me, please. I was too young then. I could not understand life. Please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I'm happy that you are still alive. Forgive me.
Please stand up, please.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's okay. I have a confession. Oh, Chizi, I'm so sorry. I lied about Chizi. Chizi's not like her mother. I did it out of jealousy, envy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Forgive me, Chizi, please. Please. And Tessie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the embarrassment I've been to. I'm sorry.
So it's easy for you to say sorry, just like that?
I didn't mean to, honestly. I'm sorry. Please.
You are so wicked. You are heartless.
My daughter,
what are you doing here?
Please, I have come to see you and your father. Good evening, sir, my husband.
You just shut up! Who is your husband? Huh? Now get out of my house this minute!
Please, my husband. Please, do not chase me away, please. Please, I know I have erred, please. I'm only asking for your forgiveness, please. I'm not asking for you to take me back as your wife, but please.
But what? But what? Tell me!
But just forgive me. Your forgiveness is all I ask. Please. Please. I beg you. Now help me to beg him now, please.
My in-law.
Just shut up. Who is your in-law? No, who is your in-law? Now bundle this thing and take out of my house this minute. Now!
My daughter, I'm sorry. Please help me to beg your father. Please. Help me to beg your father, please. Please. People.
Father, you always say to err is human and to forgive is divine. I know with the kind of damage she has done to you, sorry is not enough. But please, forgive her. Please. She is remorseful, Father. It is not how much we make mistakes, but how we realize that we have made mistakes and try to correct them. You're a good man, Father. And you've always taught us to forgive, no matter what. Thank you for all the love you have shown me all through my childhood. Till this moment. Please forgive me. Please, Mama.
Please.
Please.
I'm really sorry.
Please, Mama.
I'm so sorry. I take all the blames. I fell for it because I asked you severally and you never opened up to me.
Please, forgive me. Forgive me, please. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She has no shame, and she don't even care, and she don't wanna know the damages she is causing. The cry of a child with a wayward mother, someone who don't want to change. She's living a life of disgrace. She don't even want to change. The pains of a child with a wayward mother who lives a dating life. She don't even want to change. Her whole life is full of mess. Why, Mama, why are you making this up for me? Why are you making me shed these tears? Oh, I am going through these pains cause of you. Why can't you just change your ways? Oh, Mama, why do you choose this battle? I am going through these pains because of you. Why can't you just change your